Hi there folks, I'm in the workshop today and just taken a special delivery. I felt it fitting to actually put the museum airfield lights on for this one folks. Let's go take a look. So yes, it might sound a bit crazy, but I felt it appropriate to turn the airfield lights on today because the delivery is 2 Merlin engines, a tail wheel assembly complete with the tyre, some panel work, and the propeller hub from one of the said engines. These all belong to Halifax HR871 from the Canadian 405 Squadron. Now these have literally just arrived. Well, I'm lying, they've been here an hour and I've been kind of speechless. Obviously I need to unpack them and we can take a closer look folks. So, let's take a closer look folks through this blue bag. I'll be honest, it's going to need more than spark plugs. Yeah, the T's are there through the bag folks. So that one's the right way up. And that one's currently upside down. So folks, this is going to make such a great display, and it's all thanks to Karl, Kjarsgaard and the Halifax 57 rescue team. I'll put a link in the description to their page, and please folks, if you can afford to, make a donation because we need more cows in this world. Is saving these Halifax bombers, is rebuilding them, and fair play. That's some challenge. These are off the coast of Sweden, in the sea. Quite an amazing story, folks. And like I say, I'm pretty speechless. So I suppose the next thing to do is to unwrap this baby and see what we've got. So folks, you have to wait till the next one for that. And on that bombshell, I'll catch you soon.